Alright, hello everybody. Today I want to show off Pandora Launcher and also announce a sort of beta release of Pandora Launcher. So if you'd like to try it out in its current state, you can head to the description to find a download page, pandora.modpack.com. If you'd like to submit issues, make feature requests, or compile it yourself, there'll also be a link to the GitHub source page in the description. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the instance page here. This is where you can see a list of all of your instances. Let's go ahead and create a new instance here. We can name it My Instance. We can choose the Minecraft version here. Let's just stick with the latest one. We can choose mod loader. Let's just go with Fabric. So there we go. We have My Instance. We can hit Start here. And there we go. Can log in. Obviously, not really much to see here. This is just launching Minecraft. I'm just going to go and, well, I guess we can see. It launches. The launcher launches Minecraft. What a revolutionary concept. Let's kill that. So I'll just go down the list here. So next up there is syncing. So I already made a video on this, but basically if you want to sync various files and folders across instances, if you want to sync your options, you want to sync your servers, you want to sync your saves folder across all of your instances, this page lets you do it. Again, I already made a video on this, so if you want more details, you can go check out the video. Next up, there is the content browser. So this allows you to browse Modrinth, download mods, modpacks, etc. One thing that's cool about Pandora is that it will automatically deduplicate any content that you download through the launcher. So if you have the same mod that's in 5 different instances, the same mod pack that's in 5 different instances, Pandora will actually deduplicate the content. So instead of storing it, 3 times, it'll basically only store it once, which is nice for saving space if you have lots of big mods. So let's go ahead and add a mod to our instance here. To my instance here, add to instance. We can choose the version. Let's just hit OK here. Let's also add sodium, add to instance, install. And as you can see, because I already have these mods in another instance, the download is basically instant because all I have to do is use the existing download. So there you go. Sure. Now if we go to my instance here, this is the instance page. So you can start the instance here. You can open the .minecraft folder here. If you want to mess around with the files, you can launch directly into worlds by clicking one of these buttons. You can launch directly onto one of your servers by clicking one of these buttons. We can go to mods to see the mods that we just downloaded. We have Fabric API and Sodium. Let's just start instance just so we can see the instance here. We can see it is indeed loading Sodium and Fabric API, so that is fantastic. Yay. I guess I skipped over logs. So here, logs, we can view log files. We can view the latest .log file here, scroll through it. Now, of course, there's sort of no size limit on the log here. Some launchers will limit the log to only being able to view, 10,000, 100,000 lines or something like that. There's no such limit in Pandora. So actually, let me try find I have an instance here where I have a log file that's like 0.5 gigabyte. Is it this instance? Yeah, big.log here. So this is a 0.5 gigabyte log file. I believe there's 3 million lines in here. And it will take a second just to load because it doesn't, stream it in immediately. So that way, you can be doing other things in the launcher while it's loading. It'll take about a minute to load all 3 million lines. But anyways, I'm just gonna leave it there. But yeah, it can load really, really big log files. We'll just leave it at that. What else do we have? So we have the instance settings here. So you want to change the name of the instance, if you want to set the amount of memory it's allocated to, if you want to add additional JVM flags, or if you want to delete the instance, you can do that. By the way, clicking this button doesn't immediately delete it. You have to click I want to delete this instance, then you have to click I understand, then you have to type in the name of the instance, then you have to click this button. So hopefully no one will be accidentally deleting instances with all of that. We also have an account switcher here, so if you want to switch accounts, You can switch accounts like this. I don't have a second Minecraft account, so I can't show you that, but you know, it works. It works. We also have the settings here. Right now, the only setting that exists is for the interface theme. So if you don't like how it looks, you can change the theme here. I have some, oh, that's very bright. I have some Capuchin themes here downloaded off of here. And yeah, so we can you can switch themes if you want. What else do we have? Yeah, it also supports Forge and NeoForge and all that good stuff. So let's try adding a mod pack here. Let's go to Modern, let's go to Modpacks, and let's add the NeoForge. Where's the NeoForge Cobble one? Let me just type in Cobble one. Fabric, NeoForge, there we are. So we can hit install here, we can create a new instance with this, hit install here. And again, because I already have it pre-downloaded, it's going to be very, very quick. And here you go. So this is what it looks like when you have a mod pack, by the way. You get this, you can toggle on and off the entire mod pack. If you click this, you can view each individual mod inside of it. So that's pretty cool. You can obviously toggle individual mods on and off if you want. And if you want to update the mod pack or any mods that you have, you can hit check for updates here. That'll check. Obviously, I have the latest version of this mod pack, so it'll say it's up to date. Let's just start this instance here. Actually, let me cancel this. Let me launch directly into the world here. So let's hit that there. And obviously, it is a fairly big mod pack, so it'll take a second to load here. I'm trying to think, is there anything else that I can show that's neat? It's mainly just like a lot of neat behind the scenes stuff that you don't really care about. There's a lot of like technical details with like, you know, speeding up launching and whatever. I think it's loading into the world now. Here we are, loading into the world, because we clicked the load button there. All right, here we are, and wow, Pokemon. And yeah, there you go. We have this very, very nice log viewer here as well. When you open the game, you can scroll through this, no problem. Again, this supports like practically an infinite number of lines. There's no limit here. It's not going to cut off once you reach a certain amount. You can search for something. So what I want to search for, like Cobblemon. There we are. Searching is very, very fast as well. The launcher in general is pretty fast, so that's nice. Yeah, and I think that's pretty much it for a general overview. Hope you found this interesting. Hope you like the launcher. I'll see you all later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.